Let's start on a quick process on what I go through in the morning to check my market. So my first two things is to open my trading view. I've normally open two tabs. The next one is CoinGlass heat map, and the last one will be Forex Factory News. So what I'll do is I will first of all get my BTC chart up, and once I've done that, then I will look at my basically favorite pair to trade for that day. So yeah, it's just opening up. So today is Thursday, the 3rd of July. I can see that the news that I have for today is coming up from 2:30 onwards. Right now is 12:42, and so from 2:30 p.m. until say 40 p.m. I have news, and I must be careful to trade those news if I will be in position still. I'm naturally a scalper, so I don't really stay that long in the trade. So I would like to go in as fast as I can, as in and out. Say on average of 30 minutes max. Above that, it is And okay, before I check on this one, I must first check what my BTC is doing. At the moment, I know that I have liquidity at around 110,560, and then at 108,350. So those are my the liquidity places the market might want to try to go to. But I would say this one is much closer than this one. So I'm basing to say the market is more likely to go and get that one first before it can come to this one. But the market will be the market. Sometimes it doesn't do that. But I'm just saying the likelihood of getting what is close by than what is far is more like first getting the one that is far than the one that is getting the one that is near than the one that is so far away. So like I said, on the calendar news, I know by from 2:30 onwards, on the liquidity map, I know that my liquidity is at these places. Now I need, say I have 110,560 here. So then the first thing I do when I get to my chart, I first look at the previous day. This is the first day it's the first time I'm opening the chart for the day. So let me just quickly take this two out, and then we had a trend going on the daily time frame. And what I did like about this is that you see the first touch, you see the second touch, they are more or less the same, because the market, you see the momentum coming in and they just basically hit it. Now what happened there? Okay, basically arrow coming, hit it, but we have a different scenario for the third touch, because the third touch first did this, which was a consolidation of about 5 days, and then it retraced, it hit it. After retracement in this place, it hit it, and then it retraced it as but, and then we have yesterday's candle that basically covered 2 days. These whole 2 days are engulfed by one candlestick. That's a lot of momentum going up on the upper side. So I will look at this and tell myself that obviously the market is going to the upside. The momentum is pointing towards that. And if I can again look on our 4-hour time frame, obviously this is the consolidation that I was talking about. The market came to hit the trend line, retraced, and then obviously we see after the retracement the momentum that actually kicked onwards, breaking basically on a 4-hour time frame. We have broken out of that trend line, and we went and we retested the trend line, and now here we are. I'm not saying the likelihood of it coming back inside is not there, but I'm saying if you follow technical analysis, basically we are broken out, we are retested, and then we are going up again. Obviously, we have this zone against us at the moment. We are playing in that zone, and we'll see how the market goes. So this is where basically I end with my direction of the market. My direction of the market at this point in time is still saying I'm going to the upside. So now if I narrow in on my lower time frame, from here I normally just go to 15 minutes and say, if I'm going up, where am I gonna continue from? So then I'll obviously look at what is happening on the 15 time frame and look for my entry. So in short, that is basically how I my overview of the market goes, like every single day when I wake up. That is how basically it goes, like, and say, what is the market telling me? Where am I heading to? How can I utilize this to basically look for energy positions? So yeah.